This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Anthony Latina. Enjoy maintenance-free living in this lovely 2-bed, 2-bath condo. Placed in gated Osprey Cove community, this must-see condo has been extremely well maintained and leaves room for endless possibilities. The community also offers full upscale amenities like pool, spa, fitness center, and covered parking. Enter inside with high ceilings and immediately admire the open main living area with seamless entertainment to the living room, and kitchen. This U-shaped kitchen comes fully equipped with all appliances, ample cabinetry, and beautiful countertops. The master suite features plush carpeting, neutral interior, a walk-in closet, and an ensuite full bath with a walk-in shower. The second bedroom is equally spacious and the guest bathroom is also home to the laundry area. Other features include additional storage, carport, and parking for guests. For more information, review the details below or contact Anthony Latina at 239-659-4200.